In this video, you will learn how to connect FundedNext to MetaTrader 5, purchase a FundedNext challenge, sign up for FundedNext and buy a challenge after your account is set up, choose MetaTrader 5 as your preferred platform, receive MetaTrader 5 login credentials. Once your account is created, FundedNext will email you your MetaTrader 5 login details. These will include your server name, your account number and your password. Download MetaTrader 5. Install MetaTrader 5 on your device. This could be on desktop or mobile. For the official MetaTrader 5 website or use the App Store for mobile. Launch MetaTrader 5 and open the login window. Open MetaTrader 5 app. On desktop, go to Files, log into a trading account. On mobile, tap Settings, New Account, log into existing account. Enter FundedNext credentials, import your login credentials and search for the server name provided by FundedNext, or another specific server they assign to you. Connect and start trading. Once connected, your account will be balanced and trading interface will be loaded. You can now trade using the FundedNext account via MetaTrader 5. Now you know how to connect FundedNext to MetaTrader 5. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.